Welcome to today's episode where you'll discover the top 10 techniques for successfully cloning plant cuttings in water. Learn the golden rules, tips, and hacks that guarantee a 100% success rate in rooting your favorite plants. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitrogen draining concept and oxygenation concept for optimal rooting. Let's dive in. To start, always select healthy cuttings from pest and disease-free mother plants. Opt for active growing branches, preferably semi-woody ones. Avoid overly soft or hard woody cuttings that may rot easily. Ensure a clean, sharp cut at a 45-degree angle using sterilized cutting tools. Cut about half an inch below a node, the area where rooting begins. Cuttings should ideally measure 6 to 10 inches long with at least 2 or 3 nodes above the rooting node. Remember, the success rate of cloning is inversely proportional to the internode distance, so aim for shorter distances between nodes. Drain out excess nitrogen by pouring water over the plant or branch before taking cuttings. While the science behind this concept is not entirely clear, it's believed to enhance rooting success. Avoid fertilizing the parent plant for at least 15 days before taking cuttings to prevent excess nitrogen buildup, which can hinder rooting. Use clean, soft water for rooting, avoiding chlorinated or salty water. Optionally, add ingredients like rooting hormone powder, aspirin, or fresh aloe vera gel to accelerate rooting and prevent contamination. Opt for clean, preferably transparent containers to monitor root development. Change the water or rooting solution every 3 to 4 days to maintain cleanliness. Stir the water daily to oxygenate the tissues, essential for healthy root formation. This mimics the principles of aeroponics and hydroponics, ensuring the cutting receives sufficient dissolved oxygen. Submerge the cutting into the water or rooting solution, ensuring it's at least 2 inches above the rooting area. Keep it undisturbed in indirect light, optionally suspending it in the container for stability. Cover with a polythene bag intermittently to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels. Once roots develop, typically 4 to 5 roots, about an inch in length, transplant the cutting into a potting mix. Feed with diluted water-soluble NPK or compost tea once rooting starts. Consider adding vitamin B1 to alleviate stress. Follow these 10 proven techniques for perfect plant cloning in water, and watch your cuttings thrive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment with your queries and feedback, and share it.